this far, and I didn't think I could take it so long. There were days I wanted to quit. I said, surely this is it, but I am home. And I watched this so-called friend turn and walk away. And it hurt so much, I didn't have the words to say. Like there were days I wanted to quit. I said, surely this is it, but I am home. So I thank you for my life, for my life. Lord, I thank you for every victory in you I see, and for the moments I know, Lord, it was you who kept me. So I thank you for my life.
Pastor, vai começar o solo, vai começar o solo.